Today, I'm super excited. We've got Ben Handley on the show. When Ben was 19 years old, he left school and followed his dad to Pepsico in Coventry, UK, where he began working as an entry-level role as a seasoning operator, essentially filling a small hopper with seasoning, sweeping floors, and emptying bins. Now, Ben is a senior leader at PepsiCo, working as a plant maintenance manager. From sweeping floors at 19 to now being responsible for multi-million pounds worth of assets on sites and accountable for a multi-million pound budget, while also leading a large team of 45 individuals at the largest snack manufacturing site in Europe, which spans all of 12 years of your working career. Ben, welcome to our show.
Thank you, Ryan. Firstly, I want to say thanks for having me on the podcast. It's great to be able to share my story. I love what you're doing in this space. The content that you're pushing out I'm all over it. It's definitely down my street. So yeah, I just want to say thank you.
Well, thank you, Ben, for joining us on today's Masterminds and Maintenance. I know I give the super brief introduction to you and your background, but would love to hear it from you, Ben. Can you tell us more about your journey?
Yeah, so I'm 31 now, married, 2 kids, big fan of classic cars. I'm actually coming up to my 13th year now in PepsiCo, but really started working when I was really 11 years old, helping my mum and dad. So my dad worked extremely hard when I was a child. He was doing like 7 days a week at a screen printing business, and he'd bring artwork home, and we would help him as kids. So really, it's in my blood to kind of work hard. Throughout my whole teens, early teens, and late teens, I was in and out of work. Well, I probably should be really in school and studying, but for me, I just really had a big appetite for earning money and kind of working my way around and learning new things. I really enjoyed working with people, especially older people. So that's kind of where I got the bug for work. I kind of quickly learned that, school was not really, I went to quite a disruptive school. So quickly learned that I wasn't very interested in school, and I wanted to be kind of on the ladder, earning money and bringing home the money and getting that big paycheck, I guess. And that's really where a bit of background.
All right. Yeah. I mean, I feel like money is one motivation, but also like going through the struggles is almost a bigger motivation than anything. Just saying you want to get out of that, and it sounds like you've really made your career in this space of maintenance and reliability. Congrats on going on to your 13th year. What are some different ways that all of our listeners can connect with you and follow you on your journey in maintenance and reliability?
So mine is if you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I'm a massive LinkedIn user. I put out quite a bit of content myself, not on par with yourself, Ryan, but that's the best way to connect with me. I'm always looking to connect with like-minded people.